It might sound impossible, but what if I told you that you can own a fully functional camper RV for under $50,000? In a market where luxury motorhomes can easily cost hundreds of thousands of dollars, finding a camper that delivers comfort, practicality, and adventure at this price is a rare opportunity. Today, we're taking a look at one of the cheapest camper RVs you can buy for around $50,000. And by the end of this video, you might be surprised at just how much value it offers. From the outside, this camper has a clean and modern design that doesn't scream budget. Instead, it looks stylish, compact, and ready for the open road. Its aerodynamic shape helps improve fuel efficiency while making it easier to drive than many oversized RVs. Whether you're exploring national parks, driving across the country, or simply escaping for a weekend, this camper is designed to make every trip enjoyable. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice how well every inch of space has been used. The living area feels surprisingly open thanks to clever interior planning and large windows that flood the cabin with natural light. Bright finishes and smart storage solutions create an atmosphere that's both cozy and practical. The seating area quickly transforms into a comfortable dining space where you can enjoy breakfast before heading out on your next adventure. When it's time to relax, the seating easily converts into a sleeping area, giving you a comfortable place to recharge after a long day of traveling. Now let's talk about the kitchen, because this is where budget campers often disappoint. Surprisingly, that's not the case here. You'll find a functional kitchenette complete with a sink, stove, refrigerator, overhead cabinets, and enough countertop space to prepare simple meals. Whether you're making coffee in the morning or cooking dinner under the stars, everything you need is right at your fingertips. One feature many buyers worry about is the bathroom, but this camper doesn't leave you hanging. It includes a compact wet bath with a shower, toilet, and sink, giving you the freedom to travel without depending on campground facilities. Having your own private bathroom makes road trips much more convenient, especially when exploring remote destinations. Storage is another area where this camper shines. Hidden compartments, overhead cabinets, under-seat storage, and exterior cargo areas provide enough room for clothes, camping gear, cooking supplies, and outdoor equipment. You won't have to leave your essentials behind. Powering this camper is a reliable engine designed for long-distance travel while keeping fuel costs manageable. Unlike massive Class A motorhomes, this RV is easier to park, easier to drive, and much less stressful for first-time RV owners. You don't need years of experience to feel comfortable behind the wheel. Another impressive advantage is its versatility. It's equally suitable for weekend camping, cross-country road trips, digital nomad lifestyles, or even full-time RV living if you're looking to simplify your life. More people are choosing affordable campers like this because they offer freedom without the massive financial burden of buying a traditional home or an expensive luxury motorhome. Safety hasn't been forgotten either. Modern braking systems, backup cameras, stability control, multiple airbags, and driver assistance features help provide confidence while traveling. Whether you're driving through mountain roads or busy highways, these features add extra peace of mind. Of course, no camper is perfect. At this price point, you won't find marble countertops, luxury entertainment systems, or residential-sized bedrooms. But what you do get is something far more valuable: the ability to travel almost anywhere without spending a fortune. For many buyers, that's exactly what matters most. When you compare its price to hotel stays, airline tickets, and rental costs over several vacations, owning an affordable camper like this starts to make a lot of financial sense. Instead of paying for expensive accommodations every trip, your home travels with you wherever you go. So, is this one of the best camper RVs you can buy for around $50,000? Considering its smart layout, practical features, comfortable living space, and affordable price, it's certainly one of the strongest options for anyone dreaming of life on the road without breaking the bank. The real question is this: if you had $50,000 to spend, would you choose this affordable camper RV or save up for a luxury motorhome costing 3 or 4 times more? Let us know your answer in the comments below. We'd love to hear what you think. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more